Buenos
Hola!
Guys, welcome to Marina.
And honestly, it wasn't that expensive.
So yeah, we missed our 2 o'clock pickup. Don't be like us.
Today is a very nice, bright and sunny day.
And we are going on an excursion to see the marina
And the iconic arch that they have here in Los Cabos. Alright, so right now we're heading to get some breakfast at La Baja, California.
and then we are gonna go to the lobby. That's where the shuttle is gonna pick us up, and we'll give you more information throughout the video.
Alright, then let's go.
This is a buffet style restaurant, so we grab something to eat before making our way towards the lobby.
Alright, so we're at the lobby right now, waiting for our car. They said it's gonna be here like 5 minutes prior to the departure time.
We booked this excursion from Scuba Caribe that was located in our resort. They offered many other excursions and gave us a boarding pass that we showed to the driver who picked us up. So this was a 14-seater minivan kind of car, and there were other people from other resorts in there as well. And after 15 minutes, we were in the downtown area, and our group was divided into two, water taxi and whale watching.
So guys, welcome to Marina.
Going towards the water. Let's see what the marina looks like.
So many
There's
boats.
a cruise ship there. Hopefully we'll get a closer look.
Hey guys, this is your boat. So we go outside.
She showed us how to get inside the boat. There were 4 other people with us on this tour, and the captain gave us some life jackets.
Here we got our life jackets. Safety first always. This is good. I feel secure now. Okay, we are moving.
Okay, one question. It's your first time in Cabo? First time? You know it?
This is our captain and guide for this tour. He's bilingual, so he was telling everything in Spanish and English as well.
Now we're going to the arch, my friend.
We are so excited. This is definitely going to be a very unique kind of excursion that we're doing, going into the water and looking at all these natural rock formations and animals.
This beach. This is the most beautiful. It's not too rough. It's safe for swimming. Now you can see, but normally when it's the real high tide, the water is over all the rock. We are a little high tide. It's no beach, you see? Only rock. Something to water, my friend. You go to the cliff. I see capiranas. I see capiranas. Yeah. No, it's good.
We saw a bunch of people snorkeling here.
I told you, inside is the safe area, outside is not safe.
And this is the Pelican Rock, which is a hot spot for animals to rest.
This is lying down there.
Sea lions in Spanish are called Pancho, and then we saw this little baby as well.
He is Panchito, the baby. Panchito, little Pancho. Two people get in and 3 people get out.
This right here is the Lovers Beach or Playa de Amor on the Sea of Cortez. As you can see, you can get off here and explore more. On the other side is the Divorce Beach on the Pacific Ocean side, which we will show you in a minute. This pointy rock formation is called the Neptune's Finger because it looks like a finger pointing upwards. Then we got real close to this rock formation called the Pacific Window because it resembles a window or opening through which the Pacific Ocean is visible. This is also another amazing spot through which the Pacific Ocean and Sea of Cortez meet each other. And here comes my favorite rock formation. It looks exactly like Scooby-Doo's head with the ears and snout and all. Let's just say Mother Nature has a great sense of humor. And here comes the star of the show, the arch. Now this is a high traffic zone. All the water taxis and boats come here, stop here so that people can take their pictures. Our boat captain decided to take us to the Pacific side so we can get better pictures without a lot of traffic.
Like here, my friend, you see that this rock, the small rock, we call it the landing. When we pass the rock, we are inside the Pacific Ocean. Okay, my amigos, welcome to the Pacific Ocean, my friend. You can feel the windy.
There was definitely a difference. We went from calm waters to stronger breeze and bigger waves. Oh, we also saw a scuba diving boat, people in the water getting ready to go scuba diving. And here we are, looking at the arch from the Pacific Ocean side, and we took so many pictures here. It's so beautiful.
If you put attention and use your imagination, in the arch you can see the one dragon or the camel drinking water.
As soon as he said that, I couldn't unsee it. Let me know in the comments if you see the dragon too. On this side, there's also the Divorce Beach, which has very strong waves, and that's why it is not suitable for swimming. This excursion has definitely been an adventure. It's just wild to think that this arch will keep changing. These waves will keep crashing, and that Scooby-Doo rock will keep making people smile. Also, you can do this excursion in different kind of boats like glass bottom or a clear boat like this, pirate ship. They all have different pricing.
Right, so we just got done with our water taxi and it was so much fun. The stones there, up close seeing them, they were like so huge. It was like definitely worth it. And the fact that it's the last stone of Mexico and then the next land he said was Hawaii. That's like such a cool fact, right?
Yeah.
At the edge of a country. I think definitely worth it for the price we paid. It was like a must-do experience. And honestly, it wasn't that expensive. It was like $21 each. Yeah,
That included like pick up and drop
pick
everything.
up and drop from the resort, which is again a really great thing. Cause the way here wasn't that easy. Like we couldn't have walked.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Now in the tour, they had two options. You can either walk around the plaza area, marina area, and get a pickup at 12:30, or you can get a pickup at 2 o'clock. We're gonna walk around the marina, maybe explore downtown a little bit, and then take the 2 o'clock shuttle back. I'm not gonna lie, that boat did give me a little bit of seasickness. I'm feeling still dizzy after that boat. But it was really fun. And at the end, the waves were so strong, the water was coming inside. And yeah, but that experience, like being in the Pacific Ocean especially, is like so unreal.
Wanna go check this one out?
Yeah, looks like a popular one.
Yeah.
Might be expensive though, but later.
Lots of souvenirs. Yeah.
Definitely a lot of things here. How much?
This one is 3 for 10. This cut.
3 for 10. There's so many choices that you can't think of your mind. What do you want?
Yeah, everything looking so cute and colorful, right? I guess that's the thing about Mexico. Everything's always very colorful.
We have a sign that there's a line up to take a photo. Looks like these are all like restaurants and stuff here. Looks so lively, right?
Yeah.
We are just in the marina area, just exploring now. We don't really have an agenda. Yeah, we decided to take the 2 o'clock shuttle. Oh, see, it's completely empty. I feel like you'll really find a chance like that. Do one of the surfboard poses.
So many boats here, right? So many vendors.
So many people selling tours around.
Yeah.
They're all selling the same things. I feel like they're all priced also at the same level.
Yeah.
I find it really interesting to read the name of the boats. How people name their boats.
We saw this local artist doing spray paintings which looked so good, so we decided to buy one.
Dos.
Okay.
हाँ sí.
Okay. Orange.
Naranja. ¿Sí? Sí, Los Cabos 2025. Y tu nombre.
Gracias. Okay, my name is Omar.
Gracias.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Gracias.
You want it?
No, thank you.
Now we're again at the downtown side. It's the other side of the marina. They have another senior frog here, and this also looks like really busy and the party's happening here. We do see the mall over there. I think we're gonna go there.
You want to go watch it?
Resting with her Mexican boyfriend. Everything is a very seafood based restaurant. Which makes sense.
Here's the shopping mall. We decided to go here just to get a little bit of break from all the sun.
Someone who forgot her hat today is finally getting some shade. Let's see what Los Cabos Mall is like. Tequila! You guys don't know, in Cancun, I really wanted salt and pepper
Shakers.
and I didn't because I thought they were very expensive, and then I regretted it for a year and I kept missing them, and they have so many. Toughest decision of her life. It's so cute. Finally.
Right here next to the marina area where we were walking.
Look over there. There's so many. They're just flying down. Just chilling, sunbathing. They're enjoying their Los Cabos vacation just like us. One thing I love about Mexico is all the restaurants and all. They're also lively with music and everything, right? Okay, so I think we're gonna start heading back because our pickup is at 2:30 and it is quite a walk. We do want to explore some more of the marina area, but it's gonna be time for our pickup. And yeah, I think if we stay even a couple of minutes longer, we're gonna miss the shuttle.
Yeah, right?
We did decide to get some caramel frappuccino because it was really hot.
Hopefully it's nice.
This will give us the energy to walk fast.
Maybe run.
Now this was really good, but we decided to check our phone and realized that we messed up really bad.
I have no words. Our pickup, we thought our pickup was 2:30, but it's at 2. It's 2 o'clock right now. So even if we run and fight for our lives, we're not gonna make it. So yeah, so we missed our 2 o'clock pickup. So we have two options now. We're gonna try. There's gonna be another pickup at 3:30 for a different group. We're gonna try and see if they can take us with
Just
them.
as they, yeah.
If not, we're gonna take a water taxi to Rio, to our resort. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully, we can get a good price. But don't
We
be
have
like
to
us.
wait until 3:30. There's no other choice.
Make sure you're checking your time. Don't be like us.
This is not fun.
Apparently, there was a third option
Yeah, so we went back to one of the representatives of Scuba Caribbean.
of the people we had booked the excursion from.
Yeah. Explained the situation to her. We told her we thought it was 2:30, but yeah, we missed the pickup.
She was very confused. She was like, wait, what? What were you doing?
She said that we can't go back with some other bus because everybody
Seating capacity is kind of, they fully book it probably.
Yeah.
So they won't have enough seats is what she said.
Yeah, but she was very helpful. She gave us her hotspot so I can have Wi-Fi on my phone and book Uber because obviously we don't have
Yeah, and it was
internet here.
even her idea that you guys want to book an Uber.
Yeah. Now we're going to our hotel. It was like 125 Mexican.
Yeah, which is not so bad. The water taxi we did ask around, which
Yeah.
was coming to,
The cheapest was 50.
and the
for
highest
people.
was 20.
Yeah. And we're making back to the resort, so
Yeah,
I'm happy about that.
That's all that matters at the end of the day.
Yes, it did work out well for us. We got dropped off right at the resort gate.
We just had to pay a little bit extra.
It's fine. I feel like with the trouble we would have gone through and the
Yeah.
other options we had, this was like a good one.
And we got some extra time at the marina.
Yeah, we enjoyed. Alright guys, so that was our day at the marina.
With all its ups and downs, we still had a lot of fun.
Yeah, definitely a tour we had to do and it was totally worth it.
And if you do enjoy this video, make sure you're liking it because YouTube algorithm loves that and then it can reach more people like you.
And one more thing, don't forget to check the time for your shuttle pickup when you're going back. We'll see you guys in the next video.
And until then, bye.